is the same time behind the back C cap. And the whole entire time, so if you look at me, you'll see it is behind my back the entire time. And unlike when you're doing the version in front of you, I very much cheat when I'm doing this behind the back version. If I were doing it in front of me, I would be much more inclined to do it where the poi actually overlap in the top position and the bottom position. Whereas I don't do that so much behind my back, so as to avoid that business there, which kind of happens easily enough if you do it from a very strict 6 o'clock right below your midline here to 12 o'clock there. So starting an overhand in front of you with your left hand, flip it back behind, and then go down to the bottom. This is one instance, and the reason I avoid the two of them overlapping at the bottom is so that you don't have to flip your wrist. I feel like it's very, 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 very hard to do this with your palms facing forward, and you have to flip your wrists in order to get your hands behind your butt crack. So in order to make it easier, I keep my palm forward the entire time to avoid the hand rotation, which you could do, but you don't have to. Starting here behind you, let's just drill this. It's going to go up and out and down, and up and out and down, and up and out and down. And if you turned to your left, you would notice this is like doing the underhand side plane cap, only you have now rotated your body and made it behind the back. And let's do 5 more, and 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. What I should have said, let's do another 5, is look forward while you're doing it. So 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, now let's do it with the right hand. Starting in counterclockwise in front of you, flip it back behind. Again, palm is forward, and we're going to go up and out and down, up, 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 out and down. And make sure you're doing the full range of motion rather than, like this wimpiness. We want it really to go up and down, even if we're not going to straight behind the butt crack. And let's do 5 more, 4 more, looking forward, 3 more, 2 more, last one. To do it, we bring the poi behind. And instead of getting here and actually doing a behind the back butterfly, we're going to do it more like your hands are at 5 o'clock and 7 o'clock, or maybe 5:30 and 6:30. And we're going to go up and out and down, and 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 up, out and down, up, out and down, up, out and down, out and down, up, out and down, up, out and down, up, out and down. And then, just for funsies, you can make it split time, where one is going up while the other one is going down. I glossed over the how you make it split time. What I did specifically was, from this bottom position, I held my left hand down on the bottom longer until my right hand got to the top. And then if you want to try and put it together and split time a little bit slower, having your right hand up top, left hand on bottom, the left is going to do the extension in the same interval of time as it takes for the right hand to do the anti-spin and get down to the bottom. And then you'll switch. The right hand will do the in-spin going up while the left does the anti-spin going down. Bum, 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 bum. And that's very much how it feels to me rhythmically, is the hand that's doing the anti-spin is doing bum, 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 while the other one's doing bum, 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 bum. So if you bum, 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 if you put each hand out there and you felt into that rhythm, bum, 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 bum. It might help, it might not, but for me, getting that rhythm definitely did help. And then remembering that you want to lead with the same hand the whole time. So if my right goes down first, my right goes up. It's the half count ahead of the left if you're in split time. Bump, 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 and right and left and bump, 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 bump,